Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0xc1900403 on Windows 11 computer. So this error can lead to repeated update prompts or sluggish system performance, hence leaving your device vulnerable to unpatched attacks. The 0xc1900403 error is typically the result of issues with the update process or system setup. A common cause is a corrupt update cache and the software distribution folder, which holds temporary update files. Clearing out the contents of this folder might fix the issues by triggering a new download. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And then once you open up this Windows settings, and then you can see this troubleshoots, and under at options, then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click in here again at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side then you can see this run and then click, and pop-ups this Windows Update detecting problems. So we will wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, so this is the result. The problems found. So Windows Update, this the one detected, and the other one is the service registration is missing or corrupt, then this already fixed. If the other one is not yet fixed, then click yes, but if not, click no. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair corrupted files. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type a CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and the next step, then we need to enter this command keyword SFC space /scannow. So /scannow, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword SFC scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete, and the next command keyword that we need to enter. So just copy and paste this command keyword DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /RestoreHealth. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, and then we need to paste in here Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, the restore operations completed successfully. So after this two command, and then we need to close the CMD, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart this PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0xc1900403 on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.